Okay, another quick one. We might want to work with some data. So I have a CSV file, comma separated values. You might have fixed with JSON, lots of kinds of data out there. If you're a data engineer, you know what I'm talking about. If not, there's data out there. CSV is one common one. What's cool is we could look at those files here in the notebook as well, and we could try to load them. There's a lot of different libraries. We'll use this one called Pandas. If it's not installed, we can install Pandas like we installed anything else. You could add that to the end of another one because you can install multiple on a line there. There's a little warning that's already installed, different version. And it's a very easy way to load data. And here we're just looking at it, but I have this in a Panda and I could use that. So again, lots of different data structures to hold things. It really depends on what you're going to use it for. But at a minimum, this is a good way to take a look at data, maybe do some manipulation, and then get to the next spot where we're going to insert it, load it into other data. Now, I added another notebook that I copied from somewhere else or downloaded. If you do that and you put it in your directory and you don't see it here, you just reload, make sure it shows up. This one I've got a lot of stuff in. I work with a lot of different libraries. But I thought of the Pandas because that comes up a lot. And it's a very nice way to be able to get data started and to look at it. And you could do things like sort. We could take a look at that. What's nice is once you're running, we could just do this in a new one. So we'll run that, see if it makes a difference. We got to use a column we have here. What do we want to sort by? How about roadway name? So we could just, again, when you're copy and pasting, you might get an error. Like here, typo. Nice, it tells you right away. And you can see here it's sorted, which is pretty cool. We could sort in a different direction. But just playing around with the data. And if you get an error, check it, correct it, do it again. We could pick something else to search by. We can change sorts. Lots of fun things here. Really easy. Ooh, that's not the best one to do. Go back to roadway. That's a better one. State's not going to help us. They're all in New York. But okay, just to give you an idea. Bunch of columns in this one. This is from our... looks like this is from one of our weather data sets. But... just to give you a little thing to play with, CSVs could have a lot of data. Maybe this is where you put your training data. Maybe you exported it from something else. Good place to start.